Hey guys, and welcome to week 2 in our 52-week journey. Last week we spoke about setting financial goals. That's now done and out of the way, documented. We identified some actions and some obstacles, and we made sure that our goals were SMART goals. Now we're moving on to step 2. This is tip 2, and it's all about decluttering your finances. So you've heard the phrase, tidy desk, tidy mind. Well, this is kind of what we're aiming for this week with our finances. I'm a firm believer in the notion that if your finances are in order, every other aspect of your life becomes that little bit more bearable. So the objective of this week's exercise is to get an overview of everything that we've paid for on a regular basis or via subscription services over the last 6 to 12 months. I've got a tool that's going to help you document all of that. Let's get going. So the objective of this exercise is to get an understanding of all of your regular payments. That could be monthly, it could be quarterly, it could be half yearly, it could be yearly. We're looking at all of your bills, all of your subscription services, everything that you've paid for on a consistent basis over the last 6 to 12 months. And the objective isn't necessarily start cutting things out, but it's just to get a good understanding, overall, a rounded, holistic view of what your outgoings have been. I estimate you're probably going to need between half an hour and an hour to go through this exercise today. Now guys, it will be time well spent because this will form the basis of what we're going to move to in week 3, tip 3. So if you're using online banking, which a lot of you will be, you can filter out your direct debits and your standing orders. That will save you a little bit of time. Do take the time to be thorough when you go through this. It's really, really important that you don't miss anything. Again, we're not looking to cut any costs right now. We just want to get a general overview. There is a free resource below which you can download, which will give you a steer on the kind of things that we're looking for and the kind of things that need to be documented in this exercise. So do download that, use that as a guide. And I'd strongly, encourage you guys to share what you find in this exercise. I do this on a yearly basis, and often times than not, I will find something that I didn't quite realize I had an instruction to pay for, a subscription service that I decided to use it for a period of time, and then in its recurring I hadn't encountered, and it saves me money in that way. That's the tip for week 2. It's relatively simple. If you have any questions on this, please do drop me a message via the community. Other than that, I will see you next week for tip 3.